Hello dear children, good morning to everyone. This is your maths class. Take your maths textbook. Open page number 84. Today we are going to see about addition. We already discussed this concept. Let us do our addition. Yes. Our first question, 4 plus 5. You know how we need to add these two numbers? Take a big number in your mind, small number in your finger. Here, 5 is a big number, 4 is a small number. So, leave your forefinger and keep your 5 in your mind. 5 after, let's start counting. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. So your answer is 9. Next come to 5 plus 2. 5 is a big number, keep it in your mind. 2 is a small number, leave your 2 finger. Now start counting after 5, 6, 7. So your answer is 7. Next 0 plus 3. 3 is a big number. So keep it in your mind. 0 is a small number. So leave 0 finger. Is it possible? No, because 0 means nothing. No need to leave any finger. So, no need to calculate 3 after. We get answer 3. So, 0 plus 3 equal to 3. Next come to 6 plus 2. 6 in your mind, 2 in your finger. I put 2 dots. We need to start counting after 6, 7, 8. So your answer is 8. Next come to 6 plus 2. The same question as we seen in the before. So 6 plus 2, our answer is 8. Either it is in sleeping line or standing line. That is not a matter. We just add 6 plus 2. 2 to 6. So we will get number 8. Next 0 plus 5. The property of addition is when we add 0 to any number, we will get that same number. When we add 0 to any number, we will get the same number. 0 plus 5 means we will get 5. 0 plus 8 equal to 8. 0 plus 9 equal to 9. 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Or 1 plus 0 equal to 1. 2 plus 0 equal to 2. So here 0 plus 5 equal to 5. Next we need to add 7 to 1 or 1 to 7. 1 plus 7 equal to 8. So dear children, I hope everyone understood. Next we move on to next page. Page number 85 in your textbook. Here we need to add two numbers and we will get a 2-digit numbers. We know what are the 2-digit numbers? From starting to 10 up to 99, those numbers are called 2-digit numbers because it has ones and tens. Here we need to add 8 plus 6. See the picture? First we have 8 sticks. Then we have 6 sticks. We need to make a 10 first. So 8 plus 2, we will get 10. So 8 plus 2, we will get 10. So we make a group of 10 and we have remaining 4 ones. So 10 plus 4 is 14. So we get number 14. Next come to second question. We need to add 12 plus 5. Here 12 is a 2-digit number. So from right hand side we have ones. This is called ones and this is called tens. So right hand side, from the right hand side we start from ones, tens. Okay? Because in 12, number 12, we have 1 10 and 2 ones. Yes? I hope you all understood. In number 12, we have 1 10 because this is tens place. This is ones place. So we have 1 10 and 2 ones. Okay? Yes. So we need to add 5 to 12. Yes? So here we will have 5 sticks. Here we have 2 sticks. First we need to add these ones. Ones mattu first add pannanu. We will get number 7. Yes, 5 plus 2, 7. 5. Here we have 5. Listen. Here we have 5. Next 6, 7. So we have 7. Write 7 in the ones place. So on the ones keela we have to write that 7. Next we move on to tens. So how many group of tens? 1 group of tens. So we have 1 10. So on the 10 nama apdiye keela draw panikkanum. Here we just write 1 here. So our answer is 17. Let us check. 12 in your mind, 5 in your finger. 12 in your mind, 5 in your finger. After 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we will get the same answer, 17. Okay? Yes. I hope you all understood. Listen. Here I do one more sum for you. We need to add 11 plus 5. Okay? 11 plus 5. So you have to write that 11 like this and 5 in the ones place. Because in 11 we have 1 1, 1 10. 10 plus 1. Okay? Yes. So from the right hand side we start our counting. 5 plus 1. 6. 1 10 as usual we need to write here. So we get number 16. 11 plus 5, 16. 11 in your mind, 5 in your finger like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So 11 after 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes, we get the same answer. So 11 plus 5 equal to 16. Dear children, I give remaining sums for your homework. Please do by yourself. While doing your homework, if you have any doubt, please we will discuss in the live session. Okay. Next come to word problem. Very simple. Here, see a first sum. Rahul has 8 pencils. Rahul is a boy. He has 8 pencils. Okay. She already have 8 pencils. He already has 8 pencils. Sonu has 7 pencils. Sonu is another boy. He has 7 pencils. How many pencils do they have altogether? I asked them to put all the pencils in one box. So Rahul kept 8 pencils on that box. Sonu kept 7 pencils in the box. So now we need to add 8 plus 7. Yes, all 8 pencils in the box, all 7 pencils in the box. So we need to count all those pencils. So 8 plus 7. 8, 7. We need to put plus sign because all together means a total, a sum. Okay? So மொத்தமா நம்ம count பண்ணணும். அந்த 8 பென்சிலும் அந்த 7 பென்சிலும் பாக்ஸ்ல போடும்போது மொத்தமா எவ்வளவு பென்சில்ஸ் இருக்கு அத கவுண்ட் பண்ணணும். So 8 plus 7, 8 in your mind, 7 in your finger. Yes, do it. 8 in your mind, 7 in your finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we will get number 15. So totally we have 15 pencils in that box. Okay. Next come to second question. Farida plucked 4 apples. Sita plucked 6 apples. Both put them together. Altogether means sum, addition. How many apples are there now? Farida plucked 4 apples from the apple tree. Sita plucked 6 apples from the apple tree. Now both has one basket. So both of them put them together in that basket. How many apples are there now? We need to add 6 plus 4. Yes? Because Farida plucked 4 apples. Sita plucked 6 apples. ரெண்டு பேரும் Farida தனியா 4 apples பறிக்கிறாங்க. Sita 6 apples பறிச்சிருக்காங்க. ரெண்டு பேரும் ஒரு பாஸ்கெட்ல போடும்போது டோட்டலா எவ்வளவு apples இருக்கும்? So 6 plus 4. You know the combination of 10 combination of 2 numbers. What 2 numbers makes 10? Yes, 6 plus 4 also make 10. So 6 plus 4, 10. 6 in your mind, 4 in your finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we will have 10 apples in that basket. Okay, dear children, please try to understand. We will discuss deeply in that live class. Yes. Now, everyone take your maths workbook. Now, take your maths workbook, page number 71. Because we have very simple exercise. We need to write the missing numbers. You know numbers from 1 to 100. Here we just write 1 to 20. What are the numbers are missing? You need to fill that number. So come to first boxes, red color boxes. Here you have to write the missing numbers. Here first 1 is missing, so I need to write number 1. Wait. Here 1 is missing, so I have to write 1, 2, 3 are there, 4 missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are there, 11 is missing, 10 after 11. So like this you have to complete all these boxes. Next, same, complete the numbers from 1 to 20. You need to complete these missing numbers. So 11 after is 12, 12 after 13, 13 after 14, 14 after 15, 15 after 16, 17, 18, like that you have to complete this. Next also chicks. Some chicks are there. In the checks, there are some numbers. You have to write the missing numbers. Here, a first number 12 before. What is 12 before? 11. So you need to write 11 here. Next 12 after 13. 12 before 11, 12 after 13. 13 after 14, 14 after 15. You know how to write after numbers. So page number 71 in your workbook also for your homework. Dear children, I hope you all understood. Again I repeat your homework in your textbook page number 84 and 85. In your maths workbook page number 71. These 3 pages for your homework. Thank you children. We will see in the next class.